Celebrate your day, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that you might have heard or seen in greetings. Celebrate your day. This expression is rich in meaning and often used in various contexts. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English phrases, understanding the depth of such expressions can significantly enhance your linguistic skills. Let's unpack the phrase, celebrate your day, together and explore how you can use it in your daily conversations. Celebrate your day is a phrase that encapsulates more than just the act of celebration. It's an encouragement, a form of well-wishing, and often, a heartfelt gesture. When someone tells you to celebrate your day, they're essentially saying, make the most out of your day, enjoy your special moment, or take time to acknowledge this day's significance to you. It's commonly used in the context of birthdays, anniversaries, or any personal milestones, but its use isn't limited to these occasions. Let's break down the phrase, celebrate. To engage in festivities or mark an occasion with ceremonies or rituals. In this context, it means to acknowledge the day with joy and appreciation. This possessive adjective makes the phrase personal. It's not just any day, it's your day. Day. While day typically refers to a 24-hour period, in this phrase, it symbolizes a specific occasion, moment, or period in time that holds personal significance. Together, these words form a powerful message of personal acknowledgement and enjoyment. This phrase can be used in various ways, including in greetings, happy birthday, celebrate your day to the fullest. As encouragement, to someone who has achieved a milestone, you've worked hard for this. Celebrate your day, you deserve it. In invitations, inviting someone to join in a celebration, let's all get together and celebrate your day. Understanding the context in which it's used can help you apply the phrase more effectively in your communications. While the phrase is widely understood in English-speaking cultures, its significance might vary across different regions. In some cultures, celebrating individual milestones might be more prominent, making this phrase even more meaningful. Additionally, variations of the phrase like, enjoy your special day, or make the most of your day, carry similar sentiments but might be used based on personal preference or cultural nuances. We hope this exploration of the phrase, celebrate your day, has been enlightening and adds a new layer to your understanding of English expressions. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying feelings, wishes, and human connections. So, the next time you use or hear, celebrate your day, you'll know the depth of its meaning. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has been helpful in your language learning journey. Celebrate your day, every day.